BFM Unit 3 Correspondent Banking and NRI Accounts. Correspondent functions of bank are account service, investment service, clearing house, collection, payment, OD and loan facility. Other services are LC advising, LC confirmation, bankers acceptance, bankers guarantee, forex service, custodian service, etc. Bank accounts. Foreign currency accounts maintained by banks in other banks are Nostro, Vostro and Loro. Nostro is our account with you, that is, for example, SBI Mumbai maintaining account with the Citibank New York, and Nostro is your account with us, Citibank New York maintaining rupee account with SBI. Mirror account: when a bank keeps Nostro account with foreign banks, it has to keep an account in its own books. Mirror account is in two currencies, that is one in foreign currency and other in home currency. Next is SWIFT, Society of Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. SWIFT. It has 200 member countries, and a corporate society owned by these member banks and has built-in security system. It has here message is sent using bilateral key exchange, that is BKE. It's available 24 by 365 days. And SWIFT BIC is bankers identification code or relationship for management application. RMA is its format. Next is CHIPS, Clearing House Interbank Payment System. CHIPS is developed in USA. In 1970, it has 49 member banks. UID numbers to identify beneficiary account, and CHIP participants has Next is Fedwire. Fedwire is US payment system by Federal Reserve. It's developed in 1970. CHAPS is British equivalent of CHIPS, and it is developed in the UK. That it has 20 member banks. Target is Trans-European Automated Real-Time Gross Settlement Express Transfer System. Euro payment method. RTGS Plus or EBA is Euro clearing system, and RTGS NEFT is payment system in India. Mirror account is shadow of Nostro account. NRI banking. NRI defined in FEMA 1999. Now it is FEMA 2000. NRI is a person resident outside India, a citizen of India. PIO is can be grandchild, child, great grandchild, etc. of a citizen of India. NRI accounts. First one is non-resident external rupee account. Here joint account can be maintained by NRI PIO or NRI or NRI with a resident relative, but resident relative must be power of attorney with informer or survivor basis. Credits here inward remittance from outside India, transfer from FCNRB to this FCNRB is a foreign currency account. For transfer from this account, another NRI account is only permitted. And debits, local disbursement, remittance outside India, savings account, current account, RD, FD can be maintained. Checkbook facility is there. And maturity proceeds to another NRI or FCNR account is only possible. Temporary OD of rupees 50,000 from NRI savings account. It must be cleared within 2 weeks by its remittance from abroad, or transfer from any other NRI account only. Next, second account is NRO account. It's a domestic account. Here it's used for paying rent, LIC, maturity proceeds, income from investment in India. It means maintained in Indian rupees only. It can be opened as SBCA, RD or TD, term deposit, savings bank, current account, etc. Jointly, it can also maintain jointly with the resident, former or survivor basis. Next is FCNRB account. It's only a term deposit account. It can be opened as only TD of 1 year to 5 years. Maximum 5 years is only possible. It's maintained in foreign currency and nomination facilities available. Next is SNRR account for business in India by NRIs, and it can be maintained up to a tenure of 7 years.